MS-06R Zaku 2 High Mobility Type aka the Psycho Zaku is a prototype mobile suit from Mobile Suit Gundam Thunderbolt. It is piloted by Daryl Lorenz. The Biohazard Quarantine Edition was inspired by 2020 worldwide coronavirus pandemic. The yellow paint customization was ideally designed by Swister's Artworks to give a more vibrant look to the MG Psycho Zaku the car kit. Additional water slide decals provide a hazardous and deadly representation of the infectious biochemical weapon on Psycho Zaku's propeller tanks. The enormous jetpack contains radioactive acid that would instantly turn enemies into liquid waste when targeted. The elaborated detail on this custom kit makes the Psycho Zaku more psycho. Specifications. Classification: Prototype High Mobility Space Mobile Suit. Model number MS-06R. Official name: Zaku 2 High Mobility Type. Reuse P device. Head height: 17.5 meters. Overall height: 18.0 meters. Power source: Minovsky Ultra Compact Fusion Reactor. Manufacturer: Principality of Zeon. Developed from Zaku 2 High Mobility Type Thunderbolt. Developed into Perfect Gundam Thunderbolt. First deployment: December 0079 UC. Operator: Living Dare Division. Known pilot: Daryl Lorenz. Equipment: Reuse P Psycho device, 2 sub-arms and 3 rocket boosters. Standard armaments: fixed shoulder shield, handheld 2 120mm machine guns, 1 280mm Zaku bazooka, 3 360mm giant bazookas, 2 Heat Hawks, 3 Sturm Faust and 1 Beam bazooka.